like a Christmas land. Boys a cut on no mother, me no discuss man.
Skatta, suck your mother, youth.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Owen Allen Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Popcaan and Unruly Entertainment address challenges they face at Freedom Street concert organized by Skatta Burrell and Joe Bogdanovich. These include miscommunication about using Popcaan's band, delays at the venue, and perceived disrespect from Skatta. Now, despite these issues, Popcaan prioritizes fans and delivered his performance. Unruly Entertainment emphasized professionalism, safety, and the importance of mutual respect in the industry while making it clear that they are focused on their goals and not on escalating tensions with Skatta. This is what Popcaan and his team released. Unruly Entertainment and its founder, international dancehall superstar Popcaan, wish to address recent events surrounding the Freedom Street concert and clarify misunderstanding for benefits of our fans, industry, stakeholders, and brand Jamaica. First and foremost, we extend our respect to VybzKartel for delivering an exceptional performance, especially after 13 years of incarceration. Kartel appearance marked a historic moment for dancehall community, and we commend his resilience and outstanding contribution to the event. Popcaan and the Unruly team approached this event with the utmost professionalism and respect, but certain operational challenges and miscommunication at the venue created unnecessary obstacles. Popcaan initially requested to use his band for his performance, which Kartel graciously approved. However, as the event approached, efforts to rehearse with the band were dismissed by Skatta Burrell. It was later communicated to our team that the use of the band was discouraged as it might reflect poorly on the event. Despite these challenges, Popcaan remained committed to delivering for his fans. Upon arrival at the venue, however, access issues caused significant delays at the main gate. Unruly team members were stopped even when accompanying artists, guests, and VIP were wearing their armbands. This resulted in a delay of a few hours, leaving Popcaan and his team outside the venue until after midnight. Efforts to resolve the matter were hindered by mismanagement with inconsistent instructions from gate personnel. I was standing with Rolex when he radioed Skatta to say he was at the gate with me. Popcaan explained. Skatta respond, "Me can't bother with Popcaan and him 100 man. Not even knowing how many people were actually with me. The reality is, it was just my team and Chronicler team." Throughout this ordeal, both Popcaan and Chronicler maintained composure and remained focused on delivering for their fans. It is important to note that Skatta Burrell prior interactions with Unruly Entertainment, including past professional disagreements, appear to have contributed to ongoing tension. Popcaan has consistently declined invitation to perform at Sumfest due to concerns about the lack of respect shown to Jamaican artists, particularly regarding their creative input and accommodations. Unruly Entertainment firmly states that no member of our team attempted to enter the venue with any firearm. The safety and security of all patrons remain top priority for us, and we operate with the highest standards of professionalism. While Skatta Burrell allegedly attempted to escalate tensions during and after the event, Unruly Entertainment and Popcaan chose to move forward. As Popcaan stated, "It's a new year. My team and I don't have Skatta on our minds or thoughts. We're focused on continuing to deliver for fans and elevating dancehall culture. Unruly Entertainment remains committed to providing high-quality music, performances, and experience for fans worldwide. We encourage all parties to create an environment of mutual respect and collaboration that uplifts Jamaica music and its global impact." Some people might have other things to say, but for me, Popcaan might not be in the wrong here because, as you heard, Popcaan approached the event with professionalism and respect, ensuring he was prepared to deliver for the fans, and his request to use his band was reasonable, as any artist of his caliber, top international star, would want to ensure the best quality of performance. However, this request was dismissed, which could be seen as a lack of collaboration and just lack of respect from on Skatta's side, right? Despite the significant delays caused by the operational mismanagement at the gate, where his team, despite having VIP pass, etc., was held for hours. Popcaan and Chronicler remain composed and focused on performing for their fans, and he has consistently stood for the proper treatment of Jamaican artists, and the youth just want to see upliftment of dancehall culture and dancehall artists. Also, his team addressed allegations about misconduct, firmly denying them and reinforcing their commitment to safety and professionalism. Instead of escalating tensions, Popcaan made it clear that he's moving forward with his goals and focusing on delivering great music and experience for his audience, and this speaks to his maturity and dedication to his craft and just unwavering respect for the culture itself, you know, because when we know Popcaan been putting dancehall on the map and Jamaica on the map anywhere him go in the world, and by doing it big on a big and a grand scale, right, just like Skillibeng and other artists.